Tesla's groundbreaking production line has set a new standard in the manufacturing realm, achieving the assembly of a semi-truck in an astonishing 10 minutes. This leap in efficiency is not just a number, it's a potential game-changer for the entire trucking industry. Elon Musk, ever the visionary, seeks to illuminate the stark environmental realities of diesel trucks, which are major contributors to transportation emissions. With the Tesla Semi, he aims to catalyze a shift in the industry by presenting a viable, sustainable alternative that challenges the status quo. The expansion of the Giga Nevada factory represents a pivotal moment for Tesla, as it will facilitate on-site battery production. This strategic initiative not only addresses previous delays but also significantly bolsters Tesla's manufacturing capabilities, proving essential for meeting ever-increasing demand. By integrating battery production on-site, Tesla enhances operational efficiency while simultaneously decreasing its dependence on external suppliers. This crucial innovation enables the Semi to achieve an impressive 500-mile range without incurring excess weight, reinforcing electric trucks' viability in the market. The operational cost advantages of the Tesla Semi are striking. Substantially reduced fuel and maintenance expenses render it a formidable long-term investment when compared to conventional diesel trucks. But how does this shift in financial dynamics influence industry standards? With remarkable performance metrics, including rapid acceleration and exceptional range during trials, the Tesla Semi is poised to challenge prevailing assumptions about the capabilities of electric trucks. What does this mean for the future of electric transportation? In addressing the ongoing truck driver shortage, the Tesla Semi introduces an autonomous driving solution designed to enhance both safety and efficiency in highway transportation. Could this feature be the key to transforming the industry landscape? As heavy-duty trucks account for a significant share of greenhouse gas emissions, the energy efficiency and reduced carbon footprint of the Tesla Semi establish it as a pivotal player in the fight against climate change. But is this enough to shift industry practices? Yet, expanding the charging network remains a critical challenge for the Tesla Semi's widespread adoption. Political obstacles and existing infrastructure limitations complicate the deployment of essential megacharger stations. What barriers must be overcome to facilitate this transition? The Tesla Semi's distinctive center driving position may necessitate adjustments to comply with European standards, underscoring the importance of design modifications to align with local preferences. How will this affect Tesla's strategy in a competitive European market? Tesla faces formidable competition in Europe from established giants like Volvo and Mercedes-Benz, both of whom possess a well-established service network and a growing footprint in the market. Can Tesla carve out its niche amidst this robust competition? Despite facing production delays, Tesla remains steadfast in its commitment to innovation within the heavy-duty transportation sector, emphasizing the importance of gathering real-world data to ensure the Semi's success. How will this data shape the future of Tesla and the industry at large? Constructed at Tesla's Nevada factory, each tiny house employs high-quality materials, ensuring durability and functionality alongside an aesthetically pleasing design. Moreover, the integration of advanced engineering significantly enhances its overall appeal. In addition, the tiny house's modular design allows for seamless expansion, enabling multiple units to be combined for larger families. This flexibility meets the evolving demands of modern housing. Furthermore, Tesla's approach to housing signals a notable shift towards minimalist living. Each unit is optimized for efficient space usage, effectively challenging traditional concepts of home size and layout while prioritizing sustainability. The living area features a versatile sofa that converts into a double bed, exemplifying intelligent space utilization without sacrificing style. This dual-purpose design supports both relaxation and rest. Energy efficiency is paramount, highlighted by double-pane windows and LED lighting that maximize natural light while minimizing energy consumption, ensuring a comfortable living environment. The kitchen, albeit compact, is fully equipped with modern appliances and a fold-down dining table, reflecting Tesla's commitment to functionality within a limited footprint. Moreover, the Tesla tiny house allows for expansion through additional modules, creating a customizable living environment that adapts to the owner's changing needs and lifestyle. This innovative approach to housing effectively eliminates traditional barriers to homeownership, such as land costs, making it accessible to many who previously faced financial obstacles. Elon Musk envisions the tiny house as a sustainable living solution, applicable not only on Earth but also as a potential habitat for Mars colonization. In addition, Tesla's new production facility will incorporate advanced technologies, such as 3D printing and artificial intelligence, revolutionizing the construction process for sustainable housing. Elon Musk predicts that robots like Optimus will transition into taking over jobs, rendering work optional and ushering in an era of economic abundance. This paradigm shift could fundamentally alter our relationship with labor. The Tesla bot captures significant attention due to its refined design and dexterity, positioning it as a leading humanoid robot compared to its less coordinated counterparts. Its capability for household tasks may redefine assistance within homes. Anticipations for Optimus Gen 3 include a human-like design with advanced features, potentially enhancing productivity up to 5 times greater than that of a human worker. The focus remains on sophistication and fluid movement. Significantly, the operating time has increased from 7 to 12 hours, allowing for prolonged work periods without the need for recharging, a crucial upgrade for industrial efficiency. Elon Musk's ambitious target of producing 1 million robots annually could render Optimus affordable for both homes and businesses, thereby transforming multiple sectors. This development holds the potential to revolutionize labor systems. Safety and cybersecurity are critical, as Optimus will function in human environments, necessitating robust protective measures to prevent vulnerabilities that could compromise user safety. The comparison between Boston Dynamics' Atlas and Tesla's Optimus showcases two distinct philosophies in humanoid robot development, each focusing on unique objectives within the robotics industry. Tesla's strategy emphasizes integrating robots into everyday tasks and manufacturing, aiming for a competitive price point under $20,000 to facilitate broader consumer adoption. Furthermore, the humanoid robot sector is witnessing increasing competition, particularly with companies like Xbang emerging in the market. This growth signifies a dynamic and rapidly evolving landscape for robotics technology. In terms of vehicle construction, advanced materials such as carbon fiber and titanium are employed, ensuring a lightweight yet rigid structure that optimizes performance during takeoff and landing. Equipped with the latest 4680 battery technology, the flying car achieves high energy density and reduced costs, offering considerable advantages over conventional lithium batteries, in line with Tesla's dedication to sustainable energy. The Tesla flying car incorporates a duct electric jet propulsion system, inspired by SpaceX technology, enabling vertical takeoff and landing while eliminating exposed propellers for improved safety and stability. Additionally, the flying car is designed with a unique backup battery system and an automatic emergency landing mode, ensuring safety in critical situations by maintaining stability and control. Tesla's manufacturing approach leverages cutting-edge technology, featuring a single-piece body cast using the gigapress, which reduces weight and assembly time, contributing to overall cost efficiency. Safety regulations governing the flying car are stringent, necessitating comprehensive testing and certifications before unsupervised operation can commence. Tesla remains committed to adhering to these aviation standards for safety. The development of the Tesla flying car presents a significant technological challenge, requiring robust systems to ensure safety, such as emergency landing mechanisms and advanced AI. This emphasis on safety is crucial for gaining consumer trust. Tesla aims to revolutionize urban commuting, promising to drastically reduce travel times and proposing a future where flying cars could supplant traditional vehicles. This ambition reflects a broader transformation in personal mobility. However, regulatory hurdles present substantial barriers to the widespread adoption of flying cars, as existing laws for personal aerial vehicles are nearly non-existent. Collaboration with authorities will be essential to establish new operational standards. Tesla Semi is widely regarded as one of the most intricate vehicles to manufacture, primarily due to its pioneering specifications that challenge the very boundaries of battery electric technology. The upcoming Gen 2 model is anticipated to address and potentially alleviate these manufacturing complexities. A significant milestone in this new iteration is the integration of full self-driving capabilities, a feature that remains unparalleled among Class 8 trucks. This advancement not only aims to attract a broader spectrum of truck drivers but also seeks to revolutionize the transportation sector. In addition to autonomous technologies, substantial design enhancements are planned for the Gen 2 Tesla Semi. These improvements encompass the development of new battery systems, optimized aerodynamics, and innovative mirror configurations aimed at augmenting visibility and safety. Collectively, these modifications are projected to greatly enhance the overall driver experience. Furthermore, the inclusion of a drop glass window will enable direct interactions for Tesla Semi drivers, thereby improving visibility and minimizing reliance on camera systems for essential tasks such as handing over documents. Additionally, the introduction of a sleeper cab represents a crucial advancement in driver comfort, effectively addressing fatigue-related issues that can precipitate accidents, particularly on extended routes that necessitate multi-day travel. Aerodynamic enhancements, which include achieving a lower drag coefficient, are expected to significantly improve the Semi's acceleration and energy efficiency. This positions the Tesla Semi as a formidable contender in the high-speed segment of the trucking industry. The incorporation of the 4680 battery technology, characterized by its high energy density and reduced production costs, aligns seamlessly with the performance and efficiency goals of the Tesla Semi.
This innovation signifies a noteworthy progression in the field of battery technology.
The deployment of supervised full self-driving technology allows the Gen 2 Semi to function with minimal driver intervention, thereby enhancing safety and diminishing fatigue during extended hauls. This feature has the potential to transform logistics operations significantly. Nevertheless, rising concerns regarding the implications of full self-driving technology on job security within the trucking industry underscore the imperative for public trust and compliance with regulatory frameworks as automation becomes increasingly prevalent. Such considerations raise important ethical dilemmas. Moreover, the shift in liability from drivers to manufacturers introduces intricate legal challenges that Tesla must navigate to ensure the successful introduction of the Gen 2 Semi. It is important to acknowledge that the advanced features, including full self-driving capabilities and the 4680 battery, may result in elevated production costs, which could initially lead to a price increase for the Gen 2 Semi. This increase, however, reflects its enhanced value proposition. Ultimately, electric trucks, including the Tesla Semi, are projected to be more economical over the long term, yielding reduced operational costs when contrasted with traditional diesel trucks, notwithstanding their higher upfront expenses. Tesla's new assembly line technology facilitates a remarkable acceleration in semi-production, shrinking manufacturing time from months to mere minutes. This groundbreaking advancement is essential for addressing the anticipated spike in demand. Equipped with Tesla's advanced 4680 battery technology, the Semi boasts enhanced energy density and lower production costs. This innovation not only improves efficiency but also makes long-haul transportation more economically viable. Moreover, the Semi's innovative design features, which include enhanced aerodynamics and sophisticated camera systems, significantly boost visibility and driving safety. These upgrades effectively tackle common concerns surrounding electric trucks. Validated by major customers, Tesla's efficiency claims for the Semi showcase its superiority over traditional diesel trucks. Such efficiency translates to substantial cost savings over the vehicle's lifespan. Additionally, the introduction of a sleeper cab within the Tesla Semi is a noteworthy enhancement aimed at combating driver fatigue, a leading factor in trucking accidents. This feature promises to elevate comfort levels for drivers during long hauls. Elon Musk's vision for full self-driving technology in the Semi addresses the pressing issue of the truck driver shortage, providing a forward-thinking solution to a challenging labor market. This integration has the potential to revolutionize logistics in the transportation sector. The Semi's autonomous capabilities significantly alleviate driver stress and fatigue, thus bolstering safety during extended journeys. This functionality allows drivers to take necessary rest breaks without compromising delivery schedules. Nevertheless, the environmental impact of heavy-duty trucks remains a central concern. Tesla aims to markedly reduce greenhouse gas emissions, and the Semi's design focuses on maximizing energy efficiency, thereby lowering CO2 emissions. However, obstacles persist in establishing a comprehensive megacharger infrastructure, which is crucial for the Tesla Semi's mainstream acceptance. The present limitations in charging locations impede the truck's broader adoption in long-haul logistics. New production line demonstrates an unprecedented capability to assemble trucks in mere minutes, a feat that was previously deemed unattainable. This significant advancement showcases Tesla's innovative manufacturing prowess, which possesses the potential to revolutionize the trucking industry. Elon Musk's ambitious vision encompasses the production of millions of Tesla Semis, indicating a strategic intent to scale manufacturing operations significantly. This endeavor has the potential to reshape the global market for electric trucks, fundamentally altering the landscape of the industry. The Tesla Semi is meticulously engineered for high performance, achieving acceleration from 0 to 60 miles per hour in merely 20 seconds while fully loaded. This exceptional capability distinguishes the Semi from traditional trucks, underscoring its superior engineering. The battery technology integrated into the new Semi employs high-nickel NMC cells to facilitate long-range travel, alongside LFP cells that ensure cost efficiency. This dual approach optimizes the vehicle's performance to cater to diverse operational needs. Tesla's production of the 4,680 battery cells in-house grants the company greater control over the manufacturing process. This strategic move eliminates delays typically associated with third-party suppliers, thereby enhancing efficiency while simultaneously reducing costs. Moreover, design improvements such as upgraded mirrors featuring integrated cameras significantly enhance visibility and safety for drivers, providing a comprehensive 360-degree view while navigating on roads. In addition, the Semi's state-of-the-art LED headlights not only improve aerodynamics but also align with Tesla's contemporary design aesthetic. This innovation contributes to a significant reduction in drag coefficient, thereby bolstering overall vehicle efficiency. Addressing the critical issue of driver fatigue, the introduction of a sleeper cab greatly enhances the long-haul driving experience. This thoughtful addition allows truck drivers to manage extended trips more effectively, thereby improving overall highway safety. Furthermore, the Gen 2 Semi incorporates minor aerodynamic tweaks that yield substantial effects on drag reduction, illustrating Tesla's unwavering commitment to advancing technology within the trucking sector. The semi-truck also features a full self-driving, FSD system that minimizes the need for driver input during prolonged highway journeys. This groundbreaking innovation has the potential to significantly mitigate driver fatigue and enhance overall productivity. However, the introduction of AI-driven trucks raises pertinent concerns among regulators and labor unions regarding possible job losses and liability issues arising from accidents. This tension may influence the deployment of autonomous trucking solutions. Consequently, Tesla must demonstrate that its autonomous system surpasses human driver safety metrics while collaborating with regulators to establish equitable operational guidelines. Achieving this could position Tesla's Semi-Gen 2 as a frontrunner in the realm of autonomous transport. Historically, Tesla's pricing strategy indicates that initial production costs might escalate, yet these are expected to stabilize and decrease over time in tandem with improvements in efficiency. This trend is anticipated to apply to the new semi-truck as well. The introduction of Tesla's Gigapress marks a transformative milestone, enabling the production of entire vehicle frames within minutes rather than hours. This innovation is poised to significantly curtail production times and associated costs. Moreover, the design of the new semi-truck incorporates robust materials and advanced technologies aimed at maximizing both durability and performance. This focus is essential to ensure that the vehicle can efficiently handle heavy loads and diverse weather conditions. Furthermore, the adoption of large-scale die casting for heavy trucks signifies a revolutionary shift in manufacturing practices that could transform the industry as a whole. Tesla is at the forefront of this pivotal innovation. Transitioning to electric truck technology can substantially decrease carbon emissions, offering significant environmental benefits and contributing to cleaner air. The potential impact could be monumental with the widespread adoption of Tesla semis. In conclusion, Tesla's semi-truck is distinguished by impressive specifications, including rapid acceleration and extended range, which highlight its unparalleled technical capabilities. This performance undoubtedly enhances its appeal within the logistics market. Elon Musk has confirmed that the upgraded Tesla Semi incorporates enhanced battery efficiency, which significantly reduces operational costs and improves performance for businesses engaged in freight transport. Mass production of the Tesla Semi is on a trajectory for substantial increase, with projections indicating the production of 50,000 units in the upcoming year. This milestone underscores Tesla's unwavering commitment to advancing electric transportation. The new design of the Tesla Semi encompasses advanced self-driving capabilities alongside a redesigned chassis, both of which are strategically aimed at optimizing performance and elevating the driver experience in the heavy-duty trucking sector. Moreover, the updated Tesla Semi possesses a lower drag coefficient, which enhances both acceleration and energy efficiency, factors critical for long-distance hauls. This innovation enables performance that surpasses traditional diesel trucks. In addition, the upgraded design features a more streamlined windshield that diminishes air resistance, thereby improving driver comfort and cooling efficiency within the cabin. This, in turn, contributes to the overall aerodynamic performance of the vehicle. Furthermore, the new design is expected to facilitate increased cargo capacity, enabling fleets to transport a greater volume of goods per trip while optimizing energy usage. This enhancement is vital for logistics companies pursuing heightened efficiency. When comparing the Tesla Semi to the Cybertruck, it is evident that the Semi prioritizes range, unlike the Cybertruck, which sacrifices range in favor of performance and off-road capabilities. PepsiCo's fleet provides a case study in the Tesla Semi's cost structure, noting that its expense is nearly double that of diesel trucks. However, it offers considerable fuel savings over time, thereby justifying its initial investment. The forthcoming sleeper cab version of the Tesla Semi is designed to enhance driver comfort while contending with challenges such as increased weight and diminished battery capacity, which may impact overall performance. As a strategic shift for 2026, Tesla has transitioned its ordering process from public reservations to direct engagement with its commercial vehicle division, thereby catering specifically to the needs of logistics companies. The production of the 2026 Semi will initially prioritize internal testing within Tesla's logistics network, with external deliveries anticipated to commence in late 2026. The Tesla Semi demonstrates remarkable capability